Mostar is a breathtaking city where history and stunning landscapes converge. The iconic Stari Most Bridge, built in the 16th century, gracefully spans the Neretva River, standing as a symbol of unity and resilience. As I stroll through the cobbled streets, I'm surrounded by exquisite Ottoman architecture that tells stories of the past. A visit to the Koski Mehmed Pasha Mosque offers panoramic views that take my breath away. The crystal-clear waters of the Neretva invite me to explore, while the lush landscapes provide a serene escape. And I can't resist trying the local flavors. Burek and other traditional Bosnian dishes are a must for an authentic experience. Mostar is truly a hidden gem, perfect for anyone who loves history and nature. It's a destination that captivates the heart and soul.